Hello guys, hope you guys doing well. So welcome to my Hello World videos. Yeah, after a long time. So like it has been like 6 years like since I have posted my last video. So since then I stopped posting videos. There are some issues I don't want to discuss in this platform. But somehow like I have deviated from my path and I stopped making videos. But the passion of making videos, teaching new technologies was present. Also, like I was very passionate about contributing to open source, but you know, like some situations comes to your life and you have to select some path, and that's why you deviate from your passion, your hobby, or whatever like you are interested doing. I also did that one, but um, after long times, I found my soulmate, and finally, I got married on 2019, and she actually found my lot of YouTube tutorials, and she found like how much I'm passionate about this teaching things, as well as like passionate about programming and love to teach peoples. So always telling me why you are not posting videos, and you should like follow your passion. So I said like it's not like easy job, like you have your full-time job. Sometimes you cannot follow your passion. So she keeps motivating me, and finally like I had to listen to my heart, like let's follow my passion, what I am actually enjoy doing things. So on November 10, 2019, I have uh, resigned from my full-time job so that I can make videos, I can contribute to open source project, I can create open source project. That way I will be very happy, because learning technologies and sharing knowledge, it makes me like happier. So that's why like I quit my full-time job, and since then I was like planning like to start these videos, mm, tutorials. But the thing is like still I can see like I have like 1.8K subscribers, and I hope like you guys also like still doing like programming, development, or maybe like you guys have changed, switched technologies, adopted new technologies, but still you guys are programmer, coder. So it's better for posting, it's better to like get feedback from you guys, what kind of tutorials you guys are expecting, and based on that I can post videos. Because you guys earlier like using like I was posting Joomla, and based on that you guys have subscribed. So maybe like you, some of them like you guys switch to like different technologies. So uh, please write comments like what are the things you want to learn. Because the I have posted these videos like 6 years ago, and 6 years is a long time. And if you see like earlier, like we used to use JavaScript for like alert, or like doing some kind of small stuff. We are not using JavaScript a lot. But then like jQuery came, we started using jQuery a lot. But now if you see like JavaScript become a full-blown like ecosystem, it actually changed the web technologies. Like you can see like how actually JavaScript like evolved. It changed the way actually we develop applications. We do a lot of things. So that's why now we use JavaScript on the server side as well as on the client side. We uh, found Node.js, we found like Angular, React, Vue.js. Um, I love Vue.js a lot more than like Angular and React.js. We will discuss definitely these things in future videos. I also uh, we found like npm like package manager, which is actually pretty easy to install packages or libraries. Earlier, like we used to if we have to install a new packages, it was very hard. Like first you need to go and download that one, and then you have to understood like, oh, how I gonna include that things. But as npm came, it is actually solving all the dependencies. Also, we don't have to think a lot of things. Then we found like Composer, which is like actually changed the PHP world in a lot of ways. And some framework came out like Laravel. I'm very fond of Laravel. I use a lot Laravel. Earlier, like I used to use like CodeIgnite at that point of time, and now we use like Laravel. It actually changed the web world in different way. How it actually introduced like artisan, queue listening, dependency injections. I can name like a lot of things. They have changed the web world. So earlier, like if we had to like install any kind of libraries, we have to include into our PHP file. That time, sometimes we use include, sometimes we use require, and there was like famous questions. What is the difference between include and require? Include once, require once, that kind of things. Now we don't even remember like where to use include. The most of the things like actually handling by the composer or PHP autoload things. So um, the point of the discussion is like that the technology changed in a different way, and our web um, space, we can say, taken to a different space, a different shape. So a lot of my subscribers moved to different technologies. Some of them like using PHP, some of them using Node, some of them are using Python, Golang. Some of them definitely started using Docker, Kubernetes. So um, I would like to know like what kind of like tutorials you guys are expecting, or what actually you wanted to learn, which you think like it will be better for you guys if I can do tutorial on those technologies. Like you can write in the comment sections or you can message me. um, I will make the tutorial on those topics. So the topics like PHP, I love PHP, um, Laravel, we can do videos on Joomla as well, Python, we can do tutorial on Golang. Now like you can see a lot of like serverless computing is booming, and in future also like we will start using like serverless architecture, which is very effective. You don't have to manage the server. um, Once you deploy, rest of the things will be handled by the cloud provider. It can be like AWS, Google, or Azure. Now, if you would like to know about, learn like serverless computing or serverless web applications development, let me know. Um, or let's say you guys are using Laravel and you would like to know more about Docker, how to use Docker with PHP or Node.js or Python, let me know. I would love to create videos. Or yeah, I don't know like what you guys are using, and what type of tutorials you are thinking about. Like you might want like learning about like Linux things, how to mm, do certain things using Linux, which you are facing issues when you are deploying applications to the um, AWS or like Google or Azure, that. And on the DevOps side, like if you would like to know about like um, how to set up like CI/CD pipeline, how to set up Jenkins, how to um, deploy your Docker container in ECS or like EKS. There are like tons of things available. Just let me know, and I will do that one. And yeah, as I have told, like I have actually um, resigned from my full-time job on November 10, 2019. So now I have a lot of times to creating these videos. So definitely I will post a lot of videos, and hopefully like you will able to get some thing uh, to understand better way what technologies or programming languages you are trying to learn or implement. So that's it like for this my hello world video. And I will see you guys comment, and based on that I will create videos on those topics. And thank you guys, like even like I have stopped posting videos like 6 years ago, but still I can see you guys are connected to my channel. And just really thank you. And I'm really sorry that suddenly I have stopped making videos. um, but oh, I believe like whatever happened, it's for good. So because um, I'm not able to post video. That's why I have guts to quit my job so that I can pursue my dream, my passion about these technologies. So thank you guys, and looking forward to you guys what you guys are expecting to learn from me. Thank you.